So I've just popped the sprinkler on because I want it to water the grass because it's a really, really hot day. I didn't realise how hot it was. So that's just watering the grass and the patio. And I'm going to plant these little buxus bushes that I got. I'm going to put them in these 2 pots, but weirdly enough, I planted both this lavender and another little plant in there, and these are the only plants that have died. So I'm kind of wondering if like these pots have got something in them that the plants don't like. I don't know, but I'm going to try these and hope, because they're a bit more hardy, that they will survive in there. But yeah, I'd be interested to know. Maybe because they're black, they might like get hotter quicker. I don't know. Hey ho. That's them all nicely planted. One there, and then I put another one over there, if you can see. Now my last job of the day is to put all the covers back onto the garden furniture, and then I would really like to make this. I think I can do it. It shouldn't take me too long. So I'm going to get all those on now, and then I will show you the furniture as well. That's the garden furniture all recovered, and now I really want to make this furniture. I really want to make it, so I'm going to do it. So these are from Von House, and they were gifted to me over on my Instagram. I will insert a link below for you in the description, but they're kind of like a concrete effect. I'll show you when it's made. And I'm going to put a side table over here and then the main coffee table in the middle. So yeah, super excited for these. So let's build them. Are this little pair. Look at them. I'm so happy with these. They are like concrete effect, but they are really lightweight, so they're easy to move around. They can be indoor and outdoor, but I've been told if you're going to use them outdoor that you need to put them away each evening just so that they're protected and stuff. But I just think they look fab. I think they look so much more expensive than what they are as well. Like I've seen some of these elsewhere for a lot more money, so if you're looking for something like this, check out Von House. I will link them below, and yeah, get yourself a bargain because these are fab. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to style this all up, and then to be honest I'm probably going to go make tea because it's time for tea, and then I think I'm going to put my camera down for the rest of today, but tomorrow morning I will come on and I will walk you through everything that I have done and give you a nice look around, and then in a few weeks we'll do a full tour. But yeah, it's been a really busy afternoon and I've really enjoyed it. I've got so much done, and the grass is still getting a lovely water. Yeah, lovely. Right, time for tea. It's been a couple of days since I planted the borders with you and created or built the furniture, and I've been a bit busy. I've had a bit of a shuffle round, and I have moved things to make the garden more adequate for us. So this is going to be the final look, and I hope you really like it because we certainly do. We're so happy with how this has ended up. So The garden furniture is still exactly where it was before. Excuse the lorry going past there. And I just love how it's like that there, because I just find that it gives us like an outdoor living space, which is lovely. And this furniture, which you saw me building the other day, is just amazing. So it's kind of a concrete effect top, and then it's got these black legs on it. I will link everything below, but this is really affordable. I think it's somewhere between £50 to £60, so it's really, really affordable and such a great size. And then the smaller side table is just there, and that works so nicely, and I think you'll agree it does look perfect there. So I've then planted my little like buxus bushes and just sort of tidied everything up around here, and it's looking so pretty. Now this is where the biggest change has happened. So you may remember that Olivia's Wendy house used to be to the left of me. Well, now it looks a little bit like this. Yeah, I had a busy day yesterday, shall we say. I'm sorry I didn't like vlog any of it, but I was just like, I need to get this done. So this is now our new kind of like sunspot area. I moved the day bed from over in the corner where it was, and I have put it here. In the evenings, this is where we get the most sun, so this works so nicely in an evening. Now we get to kind of just sit here and relax and enjoy the last of the summer sunshine, sipping drinks, and yeah, it's lovely. And then with all the plants around it, which you saw me pot as well, I think it just looks so pretty. Really, really happy with that. And then I've also got some more of the plants as well down the side there, and then we've got access easily to our hose pipe, and then the table here is the table that goes with our rattan furniture, and then we've moved the barbecue over here. So this is looking a lot better, and since we kind of topped the tree, we've noticed a lot more sunshine is going along this side, so it's actually a bit of a sunny spot now, which we didn't think it was before. So this is perfect, a massive kind of like social space for us to enjoy, and hopefully very soon we'll be allowed to have a couple of people around which we can enjoy it with. Now you may be thinking, well, where's Olivia's Wendy house gone? So Olivia's Wendy house has moved over to this corner, and I've created this kind of like area which is for her, places where she can keep all of her toys, and like this grassy area will mainly be for like her to do things as well. So I actually managed to camouflage her Wendy house by putting up the trellis, and I just think I'm so proud of myself because I think it looks great. You can't see the Wendy house from the kitchen or from this angle. It really, really masks it well. So that was, you know, a nifty idea, and something that just sort of came to me as I was moving it. I was like, I'm going to do this, and yeah, I'm really happy. So this trellis is just fantastic. Again, I will link this below. I think it's from Very, and you get 2 meters of it as one piece for £50, and it's so realistic. It's really good. I recommend it to anybody who is looking to add trellis into their garden in some way. So yeah, really pleased with that. So as you can see, Olivia's Wendy house is now just tucked neatly around here on the corner. I didn't push it right up to the edge because what I've done is I've stored all of her larger garden toys like cars, bikes, etc. all down the side there, so she can still access them, but they're not kind of everywhere to be seen. And I just think this is a lot better for us. It's really nice, and the trellis gives Olivia a little bit of shade. The sun's not beaming on the window by having it facing that way, so it's really good. I'm trying to think what else. The grass seed hasn't quite established itself yet. It's still growing. I need to give it a bit of a water. Bella's enjoying some shade over there. The plan over the next few weeks, which I will share with you, is we're going to add some block paving, or not block paving, we're going to add some more paving slabs going up to the garage door, and then we're going to replicate the border that we created this side on that side, going down there and adding some beautiful flowers to hide the fence on that side. So that will be really exciting to do, and I will actually film all of that and do a how-to, because I've been asked lots of questions over on Instagram about how we created this look. So the borders are looking really lovely. I'm so pleased we did this, and it has just made such a difference. I can't even tell you how much of a difference. Like, I come out in the garden now and I'm just like, oh, I love it out here. It's so nice. So apart from the big pile of cardboard in the corner, my cardboard tower as I'm now calling it, I really need the recycling centres to open so that I can start emptying that in my car and to there, but we'll just ignore that for now. But yeah, this is how the garden is looking. I'm really, really pleased with it. I'm over the moon actually with all of it, and it was worth the back break and all the hard work that has gone into it. It really, really was. So I think this vlog has probably gone on for long enough, and I'm going to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for watching, and look out for my next video, which will be coming very soon. Bye everyone!